Hi guys, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome to my channel. So I finally received the rest of my order for the Murakami collection, and also I decided to get one more thing. Luckily it was in stock because this store almost doesn't have anything, but yeah, so I did get something really cute for my Speedy. So these are going to be small items, and one I waited like for over a month and a half to arrive, you guys. So first let me unbox the first item. How cute is this? What a cute little pouch. But this is the card holder I've been waiting for like a month, you guys. It is just absolutely cute. I definitely prefer the smaller version of the LVs and everything else, but how cute is this? But I feel like it's longer than my other card holder. So I just pulled up my other card holder from Cartier and I just wanted to do the comparison. So yeah, it is longer for sure, but you know, it's okay. Obviously I'm gonna keep it and use it. This is just so cute, and I can't believe I finally have this. The next item is something that I didn't plan for but once I was there and I was asking questions, they didn't have a lot of these available. Oh my gosh, and she just gave me another perfume sample. Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, so I have another one. I already have two that she gave me. So the same perfume. This is the one I put on today to test it out. I also have this one. So she gave me a Toilette Filante, and she gave me a Attrape Reves. Alright, anyway. But you know that I'm huge into charms lately, bag charms. So I started asking questions. I was like, do you guys have bag charms? So they only had two, and I didn't like them that much. And I mean, the second one was very cute, but it was all gold and I just wanted something with a bit more color. So anyway, then I started asking, do you have any bag chains, you know, with charms? So they did have this one and I got it, you guys. How cute is that? How absolutely precious. I just love this pink little diamond flower thingy. The next one is like a black, which doesn't bother me at all. I love the gold LV. This little round flower with white, and then I really liked this one too because I thought it was such a great detail. So it has some of that canvas. So on each petal you can see like a little flower canvas little thing. So I thought that was just absolutely cute, you guys. I just want to give you a close-up because some of these charms are so cute, and honestly sometimes pictures online does not make them justice. So yeah, so I will be putting this on my Speedy. I'm not sure if I will use it on this bag. I might, but I feel like it already has a lot of decoration, so it doesn't need that chain, this chain charm. I just felt like this is adorable. And the thing is that when I first started getting my bag charms, and I did an entire video about it, at the time there was not really a lot of these things on the LV website, but I feel like they are catching up on it for sure. And now I did see on their website that they have a lot available. They do have more than before. Okay, so I don't even remember when I placed my first order for charms and stuff. I think it was like a little over the 3rd of January after I placed my order for the Speedy. So anyway, but what is today? Today is February 28th. I love these. This will last me such a long time. So cute, you guys. Absolutely adorable. So also I want to tell you a restock rumor for the Murakami collection. So apparently there is a possibility that when the cherry blossoms collection come out now in March, there is a rumor that some of this collection might be available again, which I am not sure, because today I did ask my, the salespeople at LV, and they were like, no, like at this point you cannot place any more orders at all for this collection, because I was never able to place a second order. But the thing is that it might come available in March. And also regarding the flower collection, I don't know how that's called specifically, but the thing is that I will not be purchasing from that collection because it just doesn't interest me. From the cherry, I feel like I may not purchase anything from the cherry collection, but it does interest me more than the flower collection. So I won't say never, right? But I'm just saying might not happen. And but yeah, I am so happy that I got finally my card holder and my cute little this was totally unplanned, you guys, unplanned. But I'm very, very happy with the cute stuff that I got. And also I know a lot of you guys like the bag charms as well, and bag chains. I just feel like it's just super cute, and adds a little bit more something to the bag, which I love a lot. Alright guys, that is it for my video today. I do have a couple of clothing hauls coming next, because guess where I went today? So the next video, or maybe the next, because I have a couple of already like planned videos, there's a couple of things I want to show you. I got some stuff from Pluise, and also I got some stuff from Zara, so I'm really, really excited to film a lot of videos coming up. So yeah, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.